Okay, so YouTube dropped a big monetization update, and the internet is already panicking. The headlines look brutal. Watch hours doubled, shorts views doubled. But I've actually gone and read the whole policy, and the real story is different from what most people are saying. There's a part of this that almost nobody is explaining. Once you understand it, the whole thing gets a lot less scary. So let me walk you through exactly what changed, what didn't, and what you should do about it today. From February 1st, 2027, those numbers change. You still need 1,000 subscribers, but the watch hours climb to 8,000, and the shorts views jump to 20 million. So yes, both ad ladders doubled. But here's the thing most people are missing. There are actually two separate doors into YouTube's money system. The first door is the fan funding tier, 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours in the past year. That gets you memberships, super thanks, super chat, YouTube shopping, and brand deals. It's real money, just from your audience instead of ads. The second door is ad revenue and YouTube Premium revenue. That's the one we all mean when we say monetized, and that's the one that moved. The 500 subscriber door didn't budge. Not one digit changed. So when you hear monetization doubled, hear this. Only the ad money door doubled. The first door is still open at the exact same numbers, and a lot of people don't even know that first door exists. Now let's talk about those 8,000 watch hours, because YouTube calls them qualified watch hours, and that word is pulling a lot of weight. Only public, long-form videos count. Not unlisted, not private, not deleted videos, not watch time you bought with ads. And shorts views do not count toward long-form watch hours. I'll say that again. Shorts are on a completely separate track. They always have been. So if you've been posting shorts thinking they're filling up your watch hour jar, they're not. They never were. Also, this is a rolling 12-month window. It's not January to December. YouTube is always looking back from today. That means old watch time falls off the back while new watch time comes in. A video that blew up 14 months ago is no longer helping you. On the short side, the entry number for new channels is now 20 million views in 90 days. But there's a second number hiding underneath that one, and it's easy to miss. You need 10 million every 90 days. If you drop below that, you're not kicked out. Your long-form money is untouched. You just stop earning shorts revenue until you cross that line again. Now, who is actually safe? Because this is the part that's getting buried under all the panic. If you're already monetized and earning from ads, you don't need to hit 8,000 hours again. YouTube has said it plainly. This doesn't touch channels that are already in. You won't wake up on February 1st and get dropped. And the old 4,000-hour bar is still live right now. It doesn't change until January 31st, 2027. So anyone who gets past 4,000 hours before that date locks in on the old number permanently. That's not a loophole. That's exactly how the deadline works. And it means if you're close, you have just over 5 months to sprint. But for already monetized creators, there are still 3 things that apply to everyone. First, that shorts maintenance rule I just mentioned, that's not only for new channels. From February 1st, every creator earning from shorts must hit 10 million shorts views every 90 days. If you're monetized and you post shorts occasionally and you're not hitting that number, your shorts revenue could go quiet. Your long-form earnings stay fine. You stay in the program, but that one line on your dashboard might stop paying. Second, there's a new active rule. To stay in the program, your channel counts as active if you have 1,000 watch hours in the past year or 1 million shorts views in 90 days, or you upload 2 long-form videos or 5 shorts every 90 days. If you fall below all of that, you get a 90-day grace period. Honestly, if you're posting at all, you'll pass without even thinking about it. Third, and this is the one that can actually cost you money through pure admin, new terms are attached to all of this, and you must accept them in YouTube Studio before January 31st. If you don't, you're not removed, but you stop earning from those features until you accept. So go to Studio, click the Earn tab, and accept anything sitting there. It takes about 90 seconds. Do it right after this video. And there is good news. Premium Lite is rolling out widely. That's the cheaper subscription tier. Creators earn a 60% revenue share from Premium Lite watch time compared to 30% from regular Premium. YouTube says on average, creators actually make more from a Premium Lite viewer than from an ad-supported viewer. That's a quiet win sitting inside the same scary headline. Let me step away from the facts for a second. YouTube's official reason for raising the bar is more meaningful earnings. Their argument is that too many small channels scrape through and never reach the payout minimum. I understand that. But meaningful to YouTube and meaningful to a creator getting their first payout are not the same thing. That first $100 was never about the money. It was proof. Proof that something you built in your spare time actually works. And if you're sitting at 3,000 watch hours and woke up to this news this morning, I know today feels rough. You were close. Somebody moved the finish line while you were still running. That's a real feeling. I'm not going to tell you it isn't. But here's what I keep coming back to. That number was never a permanent rule. It sat still for 8 years, so we started treating it like gravity. In 2018, YouTube set it at 4,000. This week, they moved it to 8,000. That doesn't shorten the road, but it does make one thing obvious. Ad money was never guaranteed. It's borrowed. And this is a cheap way to learn that lesson. So what do you actually do? 4 things, depending on where you are. Number 1, for everyone, open YouTube Studio, go to the Earn tab, and accept the new terms before January 31st. 90 seconds. Easiest thing on this list. Number 2, if you're close to 4,000 hours, this is a sprint. You have about 5 months to get over the old bar and lock in permanently. Put your energy into the formats and topics that already work on that specific channel. Don't start a new channel from zero. A brand new channel is not getting to 4,000 hours from nothing in 5 months. Number 3, if you're nowhere near 4,000, don't chase it. Aim for the first door instead. 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. That door didn't move. It opens memberships, super thanks, shopping, and real money from your audience before the ad bar even matters. And number 4, no matter your hours, don't let ad revenue be the only way your channel makes money. A number that hadn't moved in 8 years just doubled overnight. That tells you everything. Ads are useful, but they were never yours. That's the full update. 2 numbers on the ad ladder doubled. The fan funding tier and already monetized tiers are safe. The shorts maintenance rule and the terms deadline apply to everyone. And you have until January 31st to get in on the old 4,000 hour number. I want to know where you're at. Drop in the comments. How many watch hours do you have? How many subscribers? What's actually holding you back? Be specific, because the more specific you are, the more I can help in the next one. I'll read through them and use them to decide what I make next. See you in the next one.